Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be reviewing one of the product that I got from Duvela. It is a skincare system that I got a few weeks ago. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have noticed that I got this product a few weeks ago and I've been using it and it's amazing. So basically it's a skincare, it's a brush that exfoliates and cleanses your skin and get rid of dead skin. It is really good. So I did film this video a few weeks ago and I lost some part of this video, and I'm just showing you guys how I use this skincare routine. I'm going to leave all the link down below so that if you want to purchase one, you can click on it and grab yours and start like enjoying it. So I use black soap. I usually use black soap to cleanse my face, to wash my face and wash my body. So I just use black soap and I put that a little bit on the brush, one of the brush. First they have the cleansing brush and they have the exfoliating brush. They have about 4 brushes in the package and it's really good. The biggest brush I think is for the body, and the 2 small one is for cleansing and the other small one is for exfoliating. I usually use the exfoliating brush after using the soft brush to remove all my makeup, and it really works wonders, guys. So after I finished using it, washing my face with the soap, the black soap, I just rinse my face off, and as you can see, I just rinsed my face off. My wig was coming off already because you know what, water got into it. So I'm just going to I just went ahead and I took that down, and I'm going to go ahead and take the black soap again and switch the brush, and I'm going to use the exfoliating brush to take away the dead skin and also get my wig off. I wanted to use the exfoliating brush to see if it's going to get my lace glue off, and it did amazing getting everything off my head, and I really love it. It works perfectly. It got off all my dead skin. It makes my face and my skin looks fresh and like really fresh, and it brightens out my complexion somehow. I don't know, it just make my face look brighter and really nice. And yeah, so as you can see, I only use black soap, and black soap for me is one of my favorite soap to wash my face with, because it's really you don't need much for it to like foam up. So, and I just went ahead and I clean that off. As you can see, a lot of the glue came out, and I'm using my sugar. This product I got from my son's school for Mother's Day, and I've been using this since then to like exfoliate my lips, and I really love it. I really love it. So after that, I just wipe up the excess water or wipe off my face. As you can see, my face is looking very clean and bright, and I'm going to go ahead and use my moisturizer. I use the Nivea body milk to cream my face, and I am done with my taking off the makeup, and I'm ready to go to bed and just go about my day if it's still early. So that is all about it, guys. I hope you guys like it. I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in.